Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we're learning how to identify what is your graphics card boost clock speed. Okay, actually it is graphic boost clock. That's currently it is known as in a speed like megahertz. So check that. It is very simple. I'm using Windows 11 and I'm also installed NVIDIA graphics driver. So right click on your desktop, then select show more option, then select NVIDIA control panel. Okay, after that you will get this window, and left bottom corner you can see system information. Click on that, then you will receive this window. So here you can see that graphics boost clock, it is 1545, that means 1545 megahertz. So this is my boost clock of my Quadro RTX 5000 graphics card. So in this way you can easily identify uh, what is the boost clock speed of your graphics card. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.